Good morning, hi, this is Travis from National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, January 28th. We do have a system that's going to move in today. The snow levels will be around 4,500 to 5,000 feet, mainly for the Magic Valley and the lower Snake Plain. They'll get a rain or rain-snow mix. Everywhere else should be mostly snow. Mainly going to be in the western slopes of the Central Mountains, as well as Island Park for the heavier amounts, but I'll show you overall amounts here in a minute. After this boundary or cold front moves through today around 5 or 6 p.m., it does look like we'll have some cold air moving down off the divide. Potential for a convergence zone. Have a little confidence in that happening, as not all models are agreeing, but if that occurs, we'll look for 1 to 3 inches, starting around Idaho Falls and dropping south into the southern Snake Plain, maybe as much as to Burley by Wednesday morning, but right now, again, that's a little uncertain. We do have another system Wednesday night into Thursday. It'll move through the high pressure or the northwest flow. Will be cold enough for snow everywhere, not looking for any rain with that system. And then we have drier, warmer conditions Friday and Saturday for the next big system on Sunday night into Monday. That doesn't have a lot of snow, although it does look fairly windy. Looks like the snow amounts will be slightly less than what we're seeing with this one going through. So here's what we have currently. The cold front that's going to move through today. It is starting to hit our most western areas now, and then you see the next system that's out there for Wednesday night and Thursday morning. So here's what we're looking at today as far as impacts. Not too bad on the impacts outside of the Eastern Highlands and the Sawtooth area. And then on the Thursday, you can see it's mainly going to be across our southeast areas. Since we'll be low snow levels, pretty much all areas down low also will get snow, 1 to 3 inches in general for this one. Again, these orange areas are in the Eastern Highlands, 4 to 8, and 3 to 6 the Sawtooth areas. We'll show you that here in just a sec. Our temperatures are a little bit warm. We have winds moving across, a little bit breezy to start with, but you can see our warmer areas here are the areas that we're going to get rain or rain-snow mix. And then here's our snowfall amounts for today. In general, it's in that 3 to 5. Some localized here, higher amounts are on our western slope areas, and then also near the Tetons will be our higher amounts, maybe 6 to 8 inches for some of those. But in general, will be in that 4 to 6 inch range. Do want to just step you through the system starting. This is 5 a.m. this morning. This is the model NAM. 3 kilometer, you can see as it starts to spread across 6 a.m. Sun Valley, Stanley areas, and then you can see they're looking at rain and Burley, maybe freezing rain, but it looks like best chance is just rain. Looking at what we were the models that we're looking at, and then you can see as it progresses across this morning into the afternoon, still looking along the I-86 corridor would be rain, but elsewhere we're looking at snow. And you see that continues through the afternoon, and then there's just a slight hint starting around 7 p.m. here Idaho Falls that a convergence line sets up, and this model doesn't show real well, but a couple models are showing this to slowly progress through the evening, and by 6 to 8 a.m. it hits Pocatello and then moves a little bit farther south before dying off. So another 1 to 3 inches is possible, but again, this is low confidence for this event here. Here are just kind of the upper ends and lower ends as far as snow amounts that could potentially happen. Not a high probability, and then this is the most likely over here on the left. Our forecast was more or less in the middle there. Have high confidence in that forecast. And so here's our winds. It does look a little bit breezy. These are the gusts, 22, 25 this afternoon. And you see that picks up early this evening right behind the cold front as it moves through. And then, like I said, again, by 6 to 8 p.m., we have some cold air that's going to move through, and it'll converge. The northerly winds will converge with these winds, and then it will create kind of a convergence line. Again, there's kind of a low confidence with that. And then here's the snowfall amounts for overnight. You can see 6 p.m. more or less to midnight, showing that additional snow. Since low confidence, don't have too much in Pocatello southward, but there is a potential that all this could be 1 to 3 inches. If it holds it together, that could actually maintain itself from Pocatello southward. But we'll update the forecast later as we see more confidence with that. Here's the low temperatures for tomorrow morning. Most on the Cape we do have a convergence. It looks like it's all going to be snow. No concerns there. And as we move into Wednesday, you can see near normal temperatures. And then as we move into Wednesday night into Thursday, that's going to be the main system, but we do have some lingering bits on Friday morning, so that shows the total amounts that we're looking for that Wednesday night into the Thursday system that kind of moves up and over the high pressure ridging and mainly impacting, you can see our eastern areas or our southeast areas here. There's our temperatures for Saturday and Sundays. We have southerly flow out ahead of the next system. Again, that next system, we'll see less snow amounts than with this one, but it will be, looks like, quite a bit windier than what we're seeing with this system today. Just a reminder, we're looking for rain below 5,000 feet and snow above it today. Possible additional snow with a convergence zone, low confidence. And then we have a weak system Wednesday night into Thursday, 1 to 3 inches, but it looks like it's all going to be snow, and then we dry up, or drier and warmer Friday into Saturday with the next bigger system Sunday night into Monday, and that looks a little breezy. So that concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call, this number right here. Thank you.